So, hello Scorpio. Right now, I am gonna do your love reading for the month of June 2021. We will just do a straightforward love reading for Cancer people. It's gonna be just about love, okay? So, Cancer, sorry. So, Scorpio, if you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start shuffling. Scorpio, June 2021 love reading. What you are going through right now in your relationship, or you have just, okay. I just saw 5 of Pentacles. Like you are leaving someone or someone leaving you or something like that. Feeling left out in a cold. So, Scorpio, this is your love reading for the month of June 2021. Okay. So, one more time. Thank you. Your overall energy is 7 of Wands. Okay. 7 of Wands here is your overall energy. Let's see. King of Wands. 2 of Pentacles. King of Swords. We have 2 kings. 8 of Cups. Wheel of Fortune. Great. And the 10 of Wands. Okay. Very tough cards I have received, and it's hard to read. Underneath we have King of Cups. We have 3 kings in a Scorpio reading. Great. But here I am feeling some, just burdened energy, like you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sag, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay. Once, here maybe you are dealing with fire sign, because fire sign is very strong here with this King of cards, King of Wands card, and 7 of Wands, 10 of Wands, and equally, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio is also involved. Maybe it could be. So we have this. So Scorpio, your overall energy of your relationship is 7 of Wands. Actually, this is not a good card when it appears in love reading or relationship reading. Okay, so you know what, Scorpio, I'm just just saying again and again Cancer. So maybe you are dealing with some Cancer people, okay, or so feeling very lost energy here, okay, very burdened energy, like some people around you is giving a lots of suggestions, a lots of opinions, a lots of advices, and you are just feeling burdened, or they are just feeling burdened about this all, because we have received 3 kings in your reading. Like they are very authoritative person in your life, maybe family member or something like that. So here 7 of Wands is telling me that 7 of Wands depicts that you will always be engrossed in arguments with your partner. Okay, always involved or something like that, arguments and just saying hard words to each other or something like that. 7 of Wands is a very resistance energy. Okay, very resistance energy. And you know what, if this is happening again and again, your relationship will be ended due to jealousy and conflict. Okay, when it appears in love reading, that it also shows some jealousy around you, and it could be, it can relate that just what I'm picking up on here is exactly what I'm just feeling right now, is telling you, just don't take it as a just don't take it personal. like it's a general reading, so don't take it as a personal. Like your partner sees you as a, you know, bringer of trouble, like you are always in that energy, like asking question or troubling some issues, or just opening some old issues or past issues, something like that. So they see you as a bringer of trouble, or they could see you as a troublemaker also. So make sure how you react in front of them, or just control over you. Okay, just have control over you. This could be something you have no control over. Okay, you have to control over you, because this is not a, you know, not a good energy for any of your relationship, not a family relationship, love life relationship, or your with your friends. Okay, so 7 of Wands is all about this. And just we received this 3 kings: King of Wands, King of Swords, and the King of Cups. Fire, Aries, Leo, Sag, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or King of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This 3 kings is giving you a lots of advices, a lots of opinions, lots of suggestions, which will make you, you know, trouble your life. 10 of Wands, feeling very burdened, you know, very burdened in your mind. Just lots of conflict, lots of juggling is happening in your mind, like you're frustrating these days right now. With cards showing me that you will receive multiple advices and opinions from people. Okay, multiple advices and opinions from people. So here, 8 of Cups, this is your energy. You are just creating, or they are just creating some trouble situation in life. So 8 of Cups is, you know, here the moon signifies emotions and your feelings. So here 8 of Cups represents that sadness. You're feeling sadness, feeling burdened. Like this 2 cards is, you know, really just getting me some, I'm just receiving some negative vibes with these 2 cards. Just don't, you know, Scorpio is the sign of, you know, very like how can I say, very deep emotions they have, and they have a lack in expressions. Okay, they are not good with their emotions, and not very expressive. Cancer, Scorpio, again I am saying Cancer. Scorpio is a very, you know, that type of person, very secretive, very deep, very emotions, and just we have just received this moon. So now this is confirming that this card is, you know, giving me a surety that you are feeling very just deep inside you. You are not sharing with anyone anything, just keep all the burden with you. Okay, but here one positive card we have received for Scorpio is this Wheel of Fortune. Fated, it's all about destiny. This wheel is definitely turned in your favor someday. Wheel of Fortune is a good luck card for Scorpio people in June, and we have lunar eclipse in Scorpio, right? So that's why you are feeling some negativity around you, or just people is saying and just speaking a lot of things to you, Scorpio, and giving a lots of advices to you in your personal relationship, in your career, in your love life, in everything. Okay, but it's all about destiny. Okay, it came from Major Arcana, Wheel of Fortune. Don't worry, this all are temporary energy. You can handle it, Scorpio. So we have lunar eclipse in Scorpio. So this June will be, you know, something like heavy for you. So control your emotions, control your activity, or just, and make sure how you react in front of them. Okay, how you react. Just take their advices, but don't react. So it's all fated here. So now I will take one advice as an outcome for you, for Scorpio. Okay, the Fool, but I will take one card more. The Fool is all about, I will tell you, just wait. One card for Scorpio. Please give me one card for Scorpio. Scorpio people for June 2021. One card as a message, advice for Scorpio. Wow. Both the cards came out from major arcanas, Scorpio. It's a very positive card. Okay. Now I am feeling positivity around this card, this energies, the Chariot and the Fool. Okay, Chariot is all about victory, some strong movement. It's time to take actions. The Fool is all about new beginnings. Here we receive Sun and here we receive Moon. You are in that energy, Moon. So just, you are in that energy, Moon energy. So just spread some love and light into a situation with this Sun. Here the number is 0. So you will start just, you have to start your life with some positivity and some light, like this Sun. And the Chariot is all about victory. What are you, what are you waiting in your life, Scorpio? And I'm shocked here because Chariot is a card of Cancer. And in whole reading, my mind and my angels and my spirit guides is telling me to speak Cancer, Cancer, Cancer. So I'm repeatedly speaks Cancer, and exactly as an outcome, Cancer card is there, the Chariot. I'm shocked because Chariot is the card of Cancer, and it's comes under water sign. Okay, so Chariot is all about victory, some strong movement, and your career will be also very in a good position right now. Chariot is also showing some, giving me information about your career. Okay, so your victory is coming into your way. Just make yourself in that energy, very carefree. Look at this girl. This girl is very carefree, and just don't just don't react on this type of people in your life. King of Swords, King of Wands. Okay, just don't react. Don't react. So you can just, your suggestion. This card is came out as an outcome. So your advice from angel is that you have to in that position, like where very carefree, very very grounded, very positive. Do some love gestures around that type of people, and just concentrate on yourself in your career. Okay, you will receive victory in your relationship, career, or your in or all over your life. June will be very till the last week of this like third week or fourth week of June, you will definitely receive this victory, the Chariot. Or it also depicts that someone is someone new is coming into your life. Like as always I'm saying in this reading, Cancer, some Cancer people is coming into your life, some new people. Okay, so this is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.